Today is 9/28, September the 28th, and our title is 3-level gift. It's a 3-level gift. Okay, let's go ahead and get our sketchbooks open. Looks like I'm out of room on the other side, so don't forget to divide your paper vertically, up and down, and horizontally left to right so that you have space for your drawing. I'm going to turn my book today horizontally because I'm going to need a little bit of room. Let's put the date. Okay, and we're going to start at the top and we're going to work our way down. So at the top, I'm going to make a foreshortened square. To do that, you make 2 dots on each side, go above, go below, and then connect. This one can be kind of small, doesn't have to be huge because we're going to go from smaller to larger at the bottom. After you've connected these, bring the left side down vertical and the right side. These should be equal. The middle comes down just a little bit longer. Then follow this angle and connect. Follow this angle and connect. Okay? So here's the top part of your present. Now we're going to move down to the second part of your present. What we're going to do is come down right about here underneath, and I'm going to make a line that follows this line, but it's going to be a little bit longer than this. Okay, same thing on the other side, so it looks kind of like clock hands. Okay, so now that I have the second level, I'm going to take this, and just like how this angles, I'm going to angle it back. Same thing over here. Just like how this has an angle, I'm going to angle this back. Okay, so this and this should line up. Okay, same thing you just did here. Bring the sides down. I'm going to make it a little bit taller. And the middle is a little bit longer. And again, connect. Angle it, angle it, angle, angle. Okay, so what you just did up here, you're going to do it again. Make a dot a little bit below. Angle, and it goes out past this corner, and angle. Okay, so like you just did, just like how this and this one angles back as well. Again, over here, just like how this angles, so does this one too. Okay, I'm sure you know what to do next. Bring it down on the left and on the right equally. The middle is longer. Angle, angle, connect it there. Here's your other angle, connect it here. Okay, so now you've got your 3-stack present, but it's not much of a present until we put a bow and a tag on it. So to make our bow, you're just going to follow the direction of the boxes. So let's start on the left side. To make it, find the middle and just make a stripe running straight up and down. I'm following this line. See how it lines up here, here, here? But now I can't just do it straight here because the box is tilting this way. So this will tilt like that and it's going to connect. So let me color that in solid. I'd like you to do that too so you can see which direction it's going. It's kind of like a stair step. Okay, so it goes up and over, then it should connect and go up again and over again. Just like this. Okay, up again and over again. Okay, just follow the lines of your box. Alright, do the same thing on the other side. Bring your line straight up and down. Just follow this line. If you're not sure if it's straight up and down, if you take your pencil and you line it up and you just scoot it over, as long as it's lining up, you can tell it's right. Okay, so this one goes up and down. Now it's going to come the opposite way. It's going to come this way. And up and over, up, and let me turn my book a little bit, over. Okay, so you have all of that. Fill that in solid. There we go. Okay, let's make a bow to go on top, and how we do that is just bring and make almost like a teardrop shape. Leave a loop for the inside, so a smaller teardrop shape. give it some tails coming off of the ribbon. Okay. And there you have your present. Let's add some shading and a horizon line and we'll be done. Horizon line goes in the background. Follow that line over, sitting on the ground. And let's do a light gray shading all down the left side of this box. So all the way down. Just like that. And the cast shadow is the last thing. So that's going to be coming off of this angle. So it's going to be tilting this direction. And it's going to stop at the corner. Boom, right there. It stopped. Okay, connect between both parts, between the shadow and the box, and then darken it up just a little bit more. Okay, and there you have it. There is your 3-level gift. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you erase any lines or marks that you don't need, that you line up those angles, okay? Use your pencil if you need to, and just drag it down and see, does it line up all the way when you're moving it? Okay, don't forget the bow with a solid shading, light shading on the left side, and your cast shadow.